Apply thin set over the transition tape on the back of the extensions. Install trough extension so the end at the drain is flush with the drain body. Next, set the tiles on the floor and let it set up before working on it. Measure the distance for the cover. Important, be sure to deduct wall tile thickness on each side. After cutting tile-in cover to correct size, place standoffs on either end. Place tile-in cover into position. Loosen the screws on the adjustment panel. Let the tile edging drop all the way down onto the top of the tile-in cover. Retighten the screws. Remove the tile-in cover and set the tiles on all walls. Then replace the tile-in cover into position. Place magnets into the tile-in cover. Then adhere the transition tape over the magnets, making sure all magnets are fully covered. The transition tape must extend fully across the tile-in cover. Set tiles in the tile-in cover. Finally, remove the tile-in cover, then grout and caulk the entire shower.